Today's video, we'll be looking at a Casio watch, which you can get for anywhere around $25 to $30, and I wouldn't recommend going any higher than that. Okay, so just kind of quickly put it on there just to give you an idea how it looks on the wrist here. And we got some resin belt here material for the straps there. And the silver color is going to be a flat silver here. And this here, why I like this one here, if you want to just be able to tell the time quickly, you got that bottom area here, and it's a round design. You can see that, and the hands and the little notches there, those on the top, those actually glow. I don't think I can. Okay, you can actually see it from here. The hand is glowing here. You can see that little glow there. There is a light, and the light is right here. You can see it tells you it's labeled light for this button right there, but it doesn't really offer much. So that sucks, okay? So I'm gonna just quickly give you an idea of what to expect with this watch here. And why did I decide to go with this one here? So I do have another Casio watch here, and I'm gonna get some more in the future. This one here being this one here, just an analog one here, which I really do like. I love this one here. But this one in particular is going to be both the digits and the analog itself. And box wise, it's going to come in a box like this here. And you're going to see it's going to be in one of these here. And that's the inside of it. Okay, so I'm probably mixing up the boxes with one of them here, but that's what you're going to get. Okay, it's going to have the manual guide and it's going to tell you how to operate it. But speaking of operating this watch here, it's got some really cool stuff. So far we got the light here. As we can see, the light's kind of not so cool. And this one here, now I'm not going to hold down any of these buttons because it does adjust the analog there. So you're probably wondering how to adjust the analog. Unlike this one here, it's got that little crown here where you can pop it out and rotate it to adjust the time. This one here would be one of the buttons here, and I don't want to hold it down and it starts to move, because if I do that now, I'll have to hold it down all the way again until it reaches this time here. And the thing about these kind of watches where there's a digital one and the analog one here, you of course would want to have them matching the time here. So this one here, which is the mode, and you can just go ahead and you can see the different modes here. It's got some timer here and a date here, and it's got a few different time zones, like different time zones here. And you want to search the one that's right for you. Okay, so when you press this one here, this button here, you can see that it's going to change up to different regions or zones, I should say, or is it regions? And you can see it's changing up here, and the time's going to be different from that. But once you find the one that's right for you, your area or region, then you can find. Okay, so mine would be the one that says CAL or something like that. Okay, so once you find that, then that would be it. Okay, whichever one is better. But just showing you, just cycling through them to show you what it is. Okay, so it's currently 1 a.m. actually. So this is the design here. You can see the buttons here. And this is the exact model. If you were curious to know which one is this one, it's just to give you an idea of what to expect, okay? We got stainless steel in the back here, and it's the AW80 model, all right? And I like it. I'm digging this here, and the buttons, how they're flushed in on the sides here. But all in all, it's a great watch. You don't have to be super great vision to see the time here. It's clear and visible, and there's kind of sort of like a little, it's kind of rounded here, so it's not like flat or anything like that. So it's cool, man. It's a cool one. It says 10-year battery. So if you have smart watches like myself, I got plenty of smart watches, but decided to give these type of battery operated watches like these here a go, as it's not every day I want to wake up or have to charge it when I reach home. I'd rather just have a watch to just strap on and get going. So let me know in the comment section if you have this one here, share your experience so others can know, and like and sub.